Hi, and welcome to this brand new series about the fascinating world of industrial organizational psychology. My name is Lubna, and today I'm taking you with me in a fascinating journey to understand how national culture influences organizational culture. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just curious, this series is for you. What is national culture? It is the set of beliefs, values, norms, and practice shared by people in a specific country. Think about how tradition, language, and history shapes the way people think and behave. Now let's construct this with organizational culture. Organizational culture refer to the shared values, behaviors, beliefs, and practice within an organization. It shapes how employees interact, make decisions, and approach their work. Organizational culture can influence innovation, performance, and the overall success of an organization. So the question is how organizational culture and national culture interact and influence each other. National culture provide a broader context within which organizational culture are formed. At the same time, organizational culture can reflect, reinforce, or sometimes challenge the prevalent national culture. Both play a crucial role in shaping behavior, attitude, and outcomes in various contexts. And understanding their interplay is essential for effective management and leadership. Let's take an example. In Asia, Japan, for example, the national culture emphasizes on respect and collective harmony. This reflects in Japanese organization whether teamwork and group consensus are highly valued. This is fascinating, isn't it? How national culture can shape everything in an organization from leadership style to communication and decision making. Various theories and research help us understand these differences. They provide a framework to compare national culture on a scale like individualism versus collectivism or uncertainty avoidance. Understanding this dynamic is crucial, especially in today's globalized world. It helps multinational companies navigate cultural challenges and build inclusive, effective work environment for their teams. That's it for today. Next week, we will dive deeper into how specific culture values influence workplace ethics and behaviors. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. If you have any questions or want to see a particular topic covered, drop it on the comments below. See you next week.